Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Adobe Acrobat failed to load its core DLL error. So first thing that helped me was you need to head over to Control Panel and then search programs and features. If you can't find it, then you could just click on view and select small icons and then go to programs and features. From there, search for Adobe Acrobat, right click on that and you'll find an option called repair. So you want to repair that. Next up, if that doesn't work for you, then what you need to do is launch Adobe Acrobat and then click on the three lines. From there, go to preferences and then under preferences you want to click on security and then turn on enable protected mode at startup. Click on OK, and these two things should help. If it still doesn't, then you need to make sure that your Adobe main and Adobe Acrobat are installed under the same drive. And last step you can do is uninstalling the Adobe Acrobat and then reinstalling it again to make sure it works. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.